Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the hardware. Flip the micro SD into an adapter and confirm the small lock tab is set to unlock. Once done, test the card in a second device or a different reader to make sure the problem is the card, not the host. Make sure to copy any accessible files off the card now, because some repair steps will reformat or erase data. These quick checks save time and protect your data before deeper fixes. Next, you move into software repairs that actually change the card state. On Windows, open Disk Part, select the correct disk, and run Attributes Disk Clear Read Only. Then you can clean or create a new partition and format. On Windows, if needed, check the Storage Device Policies Registry key for a write protect value and set it to 0. Reboot to apply. On Linux, identify the device with dmask or lsblk and cautiously use hdparm or wipeifs to remove stubborn flags. These steps change metadata that enforces write protection. Finish by reformatting the card to FAT32 or XFAT depending on your device, then test by copying both a small file and a large file to ensure write operations succeed. If the adapter's lock is physically damaged, replace the adapter or tape the switch in the unlocked position to bypass false locks. If every software method fails and the card remains write protected, it's likely a hardware fault. Try a low-level
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.